Hey guys, it's me Sasi and welcome back. So today I'm going to make a chicken biryani, my version of chicken biryani basically. Though it's a dum biryani, usually the dum biryani it will be kind of dry, and I usually don't like the rice to be too dry. So I usually add uh, coconut milk to into the into my recipe so that it gives a little bit of moisture and softness to the rice. Not only the meat, but the rice will also be a little bit softer when you add coconut milk. So let's go and see how it comes. So here are the ingredients. We'll start with coriander, mint, cashews, chili, some spices, and ginger garlic paste, salt, the main hero of the recipe, the coconut milk, so the chili powder, yogurt, and onion, tomatoes, ghee. So I don't like my biryani without ghee, so I definitely add it. And finally the chicken. So here in US, what I found is the chicken skins are a little bit thick and fatty. So I usually remove the skin and fry it along with onion and tomato so that it reduces the raw smell and all, and it gives extra flavor to the overall biryani. So I usually remove the skin, cut it to pieces, and fry it along with onion and tomato. That's the idea. So these are the ingredients. Of course, there's a basmati rice, the equal amount to what I have for the chicken, like half kg basmati rice that's been soaking now. So that's it. These are the ingredients.